I will show you how to install JDK in your system. So first you will open your systems and open your browser and search on JDK, like any version downloaded. So you can download. I'm downloaded like version 8, JDK 8 downloaded for Windows 10 and install, and just I will find like standard development kit. So this is the Oracle owner side, and where like this site is open, and I will choose for Windows. So this is the Windows 64-bit. So I will click here and just click, check this box, open download, click this download option. So one form is open here, like this is the submission form of the Oracle. So go to this create option, create a new account, and just fill this form and download this file, exe file. This form will come. Just simply create this form and download this file. So I have already downloaded, so I will go to my that file. So this is my file I have already downloaded. So just double click here, just next, and nothing to anything changes, only simply next, and it's just installing. It will take few minutes, just still wait and to watch the complete of the installation. It's completed, so just simply next, and it's done. Oh sorry, it will take some times because it's a big softwares. Yeah, pretty fine. It's totally completed, and I will close, and simply I will go to the C drive. Open the C drive, program files, and these program files open the Java because all software installed here. So JDK, JDK, maybe this JDK I have installed. So just simply click here and go to the bin file and just copy this link, Control C copy, and minimize everything. Go to my PC and click the property file, and go to the advanced settings, and after that environment variables, and here I will create a new path. So that's why please click the new JDK home page, JDK home, and here I will browse this JDK file like C drive, program file, and open the Java. This is the JDK, this is the bin. So fine, it's completed, and those link I will totally I have copied in previously, and it's also pasted in my path. So this is the path, edit the path and create a new path and paste here. This is the path of JDK. So it's completed, it's okay, it's okay, and it's totally closed. So my JDK also installed and JLA also installed in my system. If you will check, so you can go to your command prompt, Windows R, CMD, and JDK version. Sorry, CMD Java version. Yes, Java 1.8.0 is installed and everything is fine, good. Thank you for watching this video.